1-year-old. So I would want the Cabinet Secretary to tell this House, now that we have moved from NHIF to SHIF and the Social Health Authority, are payments to the Social Health Authority or to SHIF also going to be integrated with eCitizen, or is there going to be a different platform for payments to the Social Health Insurance Fund? And secondly, Honorable Speaker, I would want the Cabinet Secretary to explain to me or to this House the justification for the convenience fee, which essentially is you are paying for a service and you are being charged money for that service. So for instance, if you are emitting your monthly premiums for NHIF, what is the justification for that convenience fee, Honorable Speaker?
Honorable CS, you may proceed to respond.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the policy of the government presently is that any service that is provided should go through this standard system, eCitizen. Actually, there was a reason, a justification why we went eCitizen, because the public was complaining a lot about how it was inconvenient to use different platforms to collect. So even the new Social Health Authority must now use the eCitizen platform. On the issue of the justification for convenience fee, I want to say that this is a fee that is paid to the service provided so that we don't again end up with complicated accounting where the money that is meant for the actual service is the one that is now again being prorated and paying the service provider. But again, I want to also point out that unlike previously, when there was a standard amount for the convenience fee,